Yo, what is up, guys? It is Friday. Happy Friday. I took an insane trade today, so I'm just going to show you guys it real quick. As you can see on the chart, we top ticked the fuck out of this trade. Absolute banger, all right? So you see we got in our entry right here with a 10-point stop, all right? We came 2 points away from hitting it, and then we targeted these London lows over here and got an 87.75 win. As you can see here, let's pull up the trade. There we go. We got $860. So I traded this with 5 micros. Okay, this would have been roughly like a $4,000 or $5,000 day if my trade sinker was set up. But I guess overnight it wasn't set up and they weren't all switched on. So unfortunately, it was a little bit of a smaller day, but still winning day, almost $1,000 day. I'm super grateful for it. Super, grateful. So. Yeah, let's go into this trade and what I saw, what made me want to take this trade. All right, so for here, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Oh, sorry, 4 hour. So we had all these highs up here, right? These, to me, feel like we came up here, we rejected it, came over here again, rejected it off of this new week opening gap right here. So we constantly showed we're delivering off of this new week opening gap and moving lower. All right. So right after I saw that, in my opinion, that wasn't enough for me to want to take a trade, but I also wanted to see us trade down here one more time for possibly us to go, long next week, right? To maybe all-time highs. So, and also I didn't really want to just see us kind of rally up to all-time highs. I wanted to see us pull back lower. So when we have our move to all-time highs, it's a lot cleaner. Then, kind of developing and thinking that I want to go bearish, right? I see that, as we close out of London, we come up here, trade right into this new day opening gap, come back lower, right? Essentially, we swept liquidity over here, but I don't want to count that as our manipulation, right? So then, coming into market open, we come up here, sweep out London Asia highs, this, intermediate 5-minute, 15-minute high, whatever you want to call that. And we tapped into this rejection block from yesterday. As soon as I saw that, that gave me a lot of confirmation to go lower. Right after that, I went to look for the manipulation leg, which is at, it is the first 8 a.m. candle. From body close to body high. And then let me get on the 15-minute so I can mark that out for you guys. So right here, I took my fib retracement level, like I said. All right, hold on, let me turn the lock off. There we go. Okay, put it right there. And then as you can see, we traded up into it right at open, and I had a limit sell set right here with my stop loss right above right here. And then I just targeted London lows. So as you can see, taking my trade right there, that was perfect. Another way that you could have taken this trade is off of the videos that I've shown you guys previously, is as you can see, we start trading downwards, right? Right after we inversed this 1 minute gap, you could have taken your entry. So, for example, you could have taken it like, I'll just delete that. You could have taken it like, let's say right here, right? We inverse it, take your trade right there, have your stop loss at this high. Basically, still 14 points is not that bad, right? Have your stop loss at that high, or you could move it a little bit higher to like, let's say 20 points, right? Have it inside of this rejection block to keep it more protected. Then you could target London lows or Asia lows, right? In this case, let's say you target Asia lows for a 93-point trade. You could take that off of the inversion like this. Still would have played out. That's my normal strategy that I take or that I trade, is that I would have taken it off of this inversion. But I was trying something else out, trying something new, taking things off of, like standard deviation and those levels. And it played out really well today. I had an amazing trade. So wait here, let's go back to where it was before I deleted it. Okay, there we go. So yeah, as you guys can see, for a 1 to 8.3, this was probably one of my best trades in terms of risk to reward. So I am super happy with this trade, super happy with it came out, super happy with how I ended the week. I think I ended the week up around 4.5K, 4 to 5 grand. Yeah, I'm super grateful for it. With that though, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you guys all. Have a good one. Peace out.